All right, here we go. Learning goals for today. Standard 6GA1. So we are starting geometry today. I can calculate the area of rectangles, parallelograms, and triangles. So calculate the area of the rectangle. So we have the formula area A equals base times height. And just like in algebra when we were working with variables, B and H and A, they're all variables. And we're just going to substitute the values in. So I will rewrite the formula. So A area equals base times height. And then if I remember how to multiply fractions, I multiply straight across. So I will rewrite it below it. 15/28. And I cannot reduce that, so that is our area. When we have units for area, they will always be squared. So area is always squared, centimeters squared. This is a parallelogram. All sides are corresponding sides, I guess, are parallel. And when we calculate the area, we use the same formula, area equals base times height. We just have to be careful to use the height where it makes the right angle with the base. And if you remember that this little square down here at the bottom indicates that it is a right angle. So I'm going to rewrite the formula, substituting the 32 and the 14 in. So area equals 14 times 32. So if we do 14 times 32, area is going to equal 448. And we cannot forget our units. It's yards squared. And a right triangle. So here I have my formula, area equals 1/2 base times height. So a triangle is exactly 1/2 of a rectangle, which is why we do that. So I'll rewrite my formula, area equals 1/2 times 8 times 24. And I will just multiply those. So I'm going to take 1/2 times 8 first, which is 4. And then multiply that by 24. 4 times 24 is 96. And we don't have any units here, so we can just say units squared, since the problem itself didn't have any units. And you try it. So now you are going to calculate the area of the right triangle and enter it in.